everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very beautiful bag. Make a magic circle. Insert your hook into this yarn, bring yarn, turn it. Make 2 chains. Yarn over, go into this ring, bring yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull through, make double crochet. Yarn over, go to this ring, pull through, yarn over, pull through, make double crochet. Make 11 double crochet in this ring. Make 11 double crochet in first row with these chains. First chain, now these chains. We have 12 stitches in first row. A slip stitch, make 2 chains, 1 chain, 2 chains. Make 1 double crochet in first stitch. Go to next stitch, this stitch, yarn over, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. Make 2 double crochet in each stitch. Yarn over, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 double crochet in each stitch. In second row we have 24 stitches in total. A slip stitch, make 2 chains, make 1 double crochet in first stitch in this row, like this. Yarn over, go to first stitch, make 1 double crochet, make 1 double crochet in next stitch, go to next stitch, make 2 double crochet like this, 1 2, this stitch, 2 double crochet, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet and continue 2 1 2 1 double crochet in each stitch. We have 36 stitches in this row in total. A slip stitch, Make 2 chains, 1 chain, 2 chains. Make 1 double crochet in each stitch. We have 36 stitches in this row. A slip stitch. We have 18 stitches in this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 18 stitches. Marked 18 stitch, the 18 stitch, and count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mark these stitches. Count from right and left side and mark this stitch. Make 1/2 double crochet in each stitch until marked stitches. 1/2 double crochet. Make 10 chains. 1, 2, 3, and continue 10 chains. Go to marked stitch, join chains and stitch together with single crochet. Turn it, make 12 single crochet in these chains. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, and continue. Go to marked stitch, make 1 single crochet, turn it, go to single crochet stitch and slip stitch, slip stitch for all single crochet stitches. Make 1/2 double crochet in each stitch, like this. And repeat for this side. Count from right and left, marked sixth and the sixth stitch, make 1/2 double crochet in each stitch until marked stitch and repeat.